In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up MotiveWave. The process is simple, so follow along. I'll walk you through the first steps for downloading the program and creating your workspace. Start by visiting the official website. From there, you can start a free trial or purchase a license key. All pricing options are listed on the site, and the free trial is available on any page. Just enter your full name and email to continue. MotiveWave offers several versions, so choose the one you want to lease or buy. Then download the installer for Windows, Linux, macOS Intel, or macOS Apple Silicon. After downloading, the first screen you'll see is the welcome window, where you'll be asked to create a workspace. I'll explain that setup next. Note that this video won't cover trading features in detail. There are too many tools to fit into one short tutorial. You can name your workspace anything you like. You can save it locally, which means it won't transfer to another computer, or you can save it to the cloud. Using the cloud lets you access the same workspace on any device as long as you use the same license key. Once that's done, you'll see a list of the free demo accounts available. Then choose your data service or broker from the drop-down menu. There are many options, and you can look up specific help if you need it. Here's what the main window looks like. Menu options at the top, the chart taking most of the screen, and trading tools on the right. The bottom panel shows detailed information about stocks and exchanges. You can set up multiple views and switch between them easily. Right-clicking on the chart gives you quick access to buy, sell, cancel all, and other trading actions. You can also open the order panel using the bill icon button on the right.